everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of natural skincare using ingredients straight from your kitchen. That's right, you don't need to spend a fortune or expose your skin to harsh chemicals to achieve a radiant complexion. Your kitchen is actually a treasure trove of skincare wonders, perfect for crafting your own effective, gentle, and affordable skincare solutions tailored for mature skin. In this episode, we're going to discuss why kitchen ingredients are fantastic for skincare. We'll spotlight some of the best ones you can use, share key tips for success to make the most out of your DIY treatments, and finally, I'll wrap up with a sample DIY hydrating glow mask recipe that you can try at home. So sit back, relax, and get ready to transform your skincare routine with some simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Let's get started. When it comes to choosing the best ingredients for your skincare routine, there's no need to look beyond your kitchen. First up, you'll find that kitchen ingredients are completely natural and safe. With these goodies, you can avoid harsh chemicals that might irritate your skin. Instead, you're using pure, skin-loving ingredients that your skin will thank you for. Think about the simplicity and effectiveness of things like honey, avocado, or oats. Next, let's talk about affordability. The great thing about kitchen-based skincare is that most of these ingredients are already sitting in your pantry. That means you save money while still giving your skin the TLC it deserves. There's no need for expensive serums or creams when what's in your kitchen can do the job just as well. Now let's move on to customization. One size doesn't fit all in skincare, and that's where kitchen ingredients shine. You can mix and match to create combinations that are perfectly tailored to your skin's unique needs. Whether you need extra hydration, a gentle exfoliant, or something to soothe inflammation, you can tweak your DIY recipes to fit the bill. And finally, let's not forget the eco-friendly aspect of using these ingredients. With minimal packaging and waste, your kitchen-based skincare routine is not only good for your skin, but also for our planet. By creating less waste and using what you already have, you're making a sustainable choice that benefits everyone. So there you have it. Natural, safe, affordable, customizable, and eco-friendly, kitchen ingredients offer so many advantages for your skincare routine. All right, now let's dive into some of the top kitchen ingredients you can use to pamper your skin. First up, we have oats. Oats are excellent for gentle exfoliation and soothing care. They're rich in antioxidants and have natural soothing properties, making them perfect for calming irritated skin. For a simple oat-based exfoliant, just grind oats into a fine powder and mix them with a bit of water to form a paste. Gently massage this paste onto your skin, and then rinse it off for a smooth, radiant complexion. Next, let's move on to honey. Honey is a powerhouse when it comes to hydration and healing. It's a natural humectant, which means it locks in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated. Plus, it has antibacterial properties that support skin health. To use honey on your skin, simply apply a thin layer to clean skin, let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then rinse off with warm water. Now let's talk about yogurt. Yogurt is fantastic for gentle exfoliation and brightening. The lactic acid in yogurt helps to exfoliate dead skin cells while also soothing and hydrating your skin. To incorporate yogurt into your skincare routine, you can apply plain yogurt as a mask. Leave it on for around 10-15 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Another great kitchen staple for your skin is avocado. Avocado offers deep nourishment, especially for dry, mature skin. It's packed with healthy fats and vitamins that hydrate and replenish your skin. A simple avocado mask can be made by mashing up half an avocado and applying it to your face. Leave it on for about 15-20 minutes before rinsing off. Coffee grounds are another fantastic option for DIY skincare. They provide stimulating exfoliation by improving circulation and gently sloughing off dead skin cells. You can mix used coffee grounds with a bit of coconut oil to create a wonderful exfoliating scrub. Gently rub this mixture onto your skin and then rinse it off for a fresh, glowing look. Lastly, let's not forget green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals and calm inflammation. To use green tea in your skincare, you can brew a strong cup, let it cool, and use it as a facial mist or toner. Alternatively, you can mix the tea leaves with honey to create a soothing mask. And there you have it. 6 incredible kitchen ingredients that can transform your skincare routine. Simple, effective, and right at your fingertips. Moving on, let's talk about how to make the most out of your DIY skincare treatments with some key tips for success. First and foremost, always patch test your mixtures before applying them to your face. Take a small amount of the mixture and apply it on your wrist or behind your ear. This will help ensure you don't have any adverse reactions to the new ingredients. Safety first, always. Next, using fresh ingredients is crucial. Fresh and high-quality ingredients will maximize the benefits for your skin. So when you're concocting your skincare recipes, make sure that everything you're using is as fresh as can be. Now, it's important not to overdo it. Limiting yourself to 1 or 2 DIY treatments per week is a good rule of thumb. Over-exfoliating or overwhelming your skin with too many treatments can have the opposite effect of what you're aiming for. Lastly, if you make extra product, store it properly to keep it effective. Use an airtight container and store it in the fridge. Be sure to use it within a week to ensure it remains fresh and beneficial. With these tips in mind, you can confidently create and enjoy your DIY skincare, knowing that you're maximizing the potential of each ingredient and treatment for the best possible results. All right, listeners, now that we've covered some amazing kitchen ingredients and key tips for success, let's get hands-on with a sample DIY recipe. This is our Hydrating Glow Mask, a simple yet effective concoction to give your skin that extra hydration and radiance we all crave. First, here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of mashed avocado. Sounds delicious, right? But trust me, your skin will love it even more. Now for the instructions. Mix all these ingredients in a small bowl until you get a smooth, even consistency. It should look creamy and well blended. Once your mask is ready, apply it to clean skin using your fingertips or a brush. Be sure to layer it evenly across your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 15 minutes. During this time, you can relax, take some deep breaths, and let the mask work its magic. Your skin will absorb all the hydrating and nourishing properties from the yogurt, honey, and avocado. After 15 minutes, gently rinse the mask off with lukewarm water. Make sure to wash away all the residue and then pat your face dry with a clean towel. You'll instantly notice how soft, hydrated, and glowing your skin looks. And there you have it. A simple, effective hydrating glow mask using just 3 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Give it a try and enjoy the natural, healthy glow it brings to your complexion. Creating your own skincare from kitchen ingredients is more than just a fun project. It's a wonderful way to take care of both your skin and your overall well-being. It empowers you by letting you take control of what goes onto your skin, ensuring that it's all natural, safe, and tailored to your specific needs. This hands-on approach allows you to truly connect with the process of self-care, bringing a personal touch that store-bought products simply can't offer. The beauty of DIY skincare lies in its creativity. When you mix and match different ingredients, you're crafting products that are uniquely yours. Whether it's a soothing oatmeal mask or a hydrating honey and avocado blend, each creation is a testament to your own ingenuity and understanding of your skin's needs. This creative process is not only satisfying but also ensures that you're using sustainable, eco-friendly practices. Moreover, exploring your kitchen for skincare wonders turns an everyday space into a treasure chest of beauty secrets. Simple staples like oats, honey, and yogurt become powerful tools in your skincare arsenal. This approach encourages you to look at familiar ingredients in a new light, appreciating their natural benefits beyond just nourishment. It's a sustainable and economical way to enhance your beauty routine, reducing the need for commercial products and their packaging. So, dive into your kitchen and discover the potential it holds for your skincare regimen. Your skin will benefit from the natural goodness, and you'll gain a deeper connection to the process of taking care of yourself. It's a win-win for both your complexion and your sense of self-care. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I hope you enjoyed learning about natural skincare with kitchen ingredients and feel inspired to try some of these DIY solutions yourself. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest content. And don't forget to try my skincare personality quiz. The link is in the show notes. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing your natural beauty.